Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss the Leetcode daily challenge. The problem is 132 pattern, and the problem statement goes like this. Given an array of n integers nums, a 132 pattern is a subsequence of 3 integers nums of I, nums of j and nums of k such that I is less than j and j is less than k, and also nums of I is less than nums of k and nums of k is less than nums of j. We have to return true if there is a 132 pattern in the nums, otherwise we have to return false. At first we have the first example, right, which is 1 2 3 4. We are given an array 1 2 3 and 4. Here no 3 elements are in this 132 pattern, so that's why we are returning false. Okay, and by checking the second example, which is 3 1 4 2, right, which is second example 3 1 4 2. So 132 pattern is there, so we are returning true. Again, by checking the third example, minus 1 3 2 0, right, the third example is minus 1 3 2 0. All are confusing it as sliding window concept, like taking the three subsequent elements, but it is not like that. We have to take a random random indexes, and here that 132 pattern is minus 1 2 0. There are so many 132 patterns, just we have to return when we get a first 132 pattern. I will explain the code. At first we are initializing an integer variable to int min, which is the lowest value, and we are storing the nums dot size in n value, and we are using a stack, and we are running a for loop from last index to first index of the nums array, nums vector, and if nums of I is less than that initializer s3, and we are returning true, else while while nums dot size, while stack dot size is not equal to empty and nums of I is greater than s dot top, or we are storing that s dot top in s3 value, and we are popping the top value of the stack, and last we are pushing that nums of I into the stack. Okay, and now I will explain you with the test case how the code will work to the test case. And we have 3 1 4 2, right, 3 1 3 1 4 2. We are running a loop from back, right. First the s3 value is initialized to int min, right, and now for loop is executing. For loop int I equal to nums of I minus 1 and I is greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus, and if nums of I is less than s3, we are returning true, or else we are using a while loop until the nums of I is always greater than s dot top, or else the stack is empty, right. And now for this example, the nums of I is 2, right, 2 is not less than s dot 3, so we are entering into the while loop. Initially the stack is empty, right, we just push that 2 value into the stack. Now the stack is 2, and again for the second element nums of I minus 2, which is 4, here we are checking the first condition, 4 is not less than minimum, right. So now else while loop is executed, and here the stack dot size is 1, and nums of I, which is 4, is greater than s dot top. What is the top? 2, right? So we are storing that s3 as 2 and we are popping the 2 element, so it is popped out. And now we push the 4 value into the stack, and again we are coming to the that third index, which is 1. Here if nums of I, which is 1, is less than s3, now the s3 is 2, right? 1 is less than 2, so that's why we are returning true. That's it.